for this week, and for all the Apple fans, we bring all in one docking station, really complete one. Now we're gonna show you all the connections. Okay, but first we have to say that it's for every iPhone, almost every iPod, and every iPad. Okay, so we see the 30-pin connector. You can just plug it in, and well, now we're going to show you all the connections. Okay, it also comes with mostly all the cables you're going to use. This one, this one, this one, and that one. Now I'm going to explain you how to use them and everything. Okay, this first one, so this one is for transmitting information and synchronizing with the computer or the Mac and the iOS device. Okay, here we have VGA for the AC and the USB thing, so we'll connect here USB, then we would plug the iPhone or iPad or iPod, and then just to the computer, and it will synchronize. Okay, that's the first cable we have here. Then the second cable, which is probably the most important one. Okay, I have to break this thing, take it out. It's a electricity cable. Okay, you're supposed to take your plug, the iPad or iPod or iPhone plug, okay, the wall one, charger, and just plug it here, and it will give the electricity and recharge our device. Okay, as you can see on this side we have the USB, the AC one, and the VGA. This doesn't came with the VGA, but you're supposed to have one and you have a screen. Then here in the front we have different cards, so we can transfer the information to our device. It's usually something more common for iPad than rather iPhone. Probably you have to jailbreak it, or you can just also put the card here and it will count the information out to the computer. So you have M2, Transflash, SD or MMC, and we can have also the Sony one that is memory stick or memory stick duo. We have also here an infrared receiver, so we can use our Mac remote. And then we come here with 3 USBs that it will just basically do the same work than this thing. Just imagine we have, I don't know, a camera and we want to just put the pictures inside. We will just plug it here, or we can also well, not all the iPods have the 30-pin connection. Just imagine we have an iPod Shuffle, we should charge it through this thing. Okay, so then we also go to the back, and you will see that we have here an HDMI. It doesn't come also with an HDMI cable. You can buy it also from the X, but you will have to buy it separately. And we have 2 more things. Okay, the sound connections. Here we have the out and the jack. We can just plug it into some speakers, and then we get to the biggest amount of cables. That is basically the component, so we can just also give high definition image out of to the TV from our iPad or iPhone. And just remember that the only devices with mirroring are the iPhone 4S and the iPad 2, and probably the iPad 3 at the time that this video comes out. So that's all.